Oh God. So, time traveling. You're seeing the video today, and I'm filming the live stream yesterday. Hey there, it is Tomster on the behalf of Indie Structural Productions once again with another monthly update, and frankly, not a lot to update on during this month because most of the month has been spent making the Celeste 2.0. I finished that on Sunday. You might have seen the live stream of it. If you haven't, go check that out. I will put a link that you can click, and I'll probably put it in the description down below as well. There we go, kicking off straight off the bat with all this YouTuber and nonsense.
Where I'm just like, click this link and down in the description and yeah.
And stupid jokes. Please do make sure to go and check out the Twitch channel. I will be streaming every single Wednesday at 5:15 finish time. So that's what, GMT UTC +3 right now with daylight savings. Yeah, so this whole month has been mostly about finishing the Celeste and getting that over and done with. Now that I am gonna take a little break just to kind of reset everything, get myself back on track, sleep a little bit more, and then I will crack on with the production builds. The first thing that I'm gonna do with those is actually finish up the inlay for the MKH data list. And actually might as well do the inlay for the 7-string at the same time while I'm at it. So a little bit more inlay stuff to come. When it comes to videos and stuff like that, every Sunday I will have new Celeste build videos coming out. As I edit them, hopefully I'll have a good few edited so I don't have to edit them during the week for that week, because that would just be insanity. So I'll try and create a little bit of a backlog to get things going. Then after that, there's still a bunch of videos that I haven't edited that have been waiting for a good time. There's a interesting project that I'm looking to start pretty soon. Then, yeah, let's see. Basically, for the now upcoming months, my main focus is going to be on the 7-string, single cut, and then the production guitars. So the 7-string being this one that I've shown you multiple times, and you've of course seen the production stuff that I have shared many times. They haven't progressed almost at all in this month because, well, I haven't had time to work on them. Whereas when it comes to other things that I have done, I don't know why I'm talking to you when I'm not in camera. When it comes to other things that have happened during the month, one of the cooler things is, which sucks now that I'm not wearing it, I'm gonna, just a second, all the way on the other side of the apartment. Other side of the apartment indeed. Coming back to the camera now, and we are here. Another thing that I should say fixed up this month was getting a new online store for merchandise. There's gonna be more coming up, but for the time being, it's the t-shirt design that you have seen, but now printed onto 100% eco-friendly organic cotton. Mainly, I switched over from Spreadshirt to Uno Mas collection here in Finland, just so I have a little bit more, I can be a bit more hands-in, and I have more control over the kind of products that are being made and how they are being made, and it just makes things easier for me. And I have much easier connection to sending in designs and getting those printed the way I want them to be printed. Because what I noticed with the Spreadshirt stuff is, like, while I have the exact same print that I have on this shirt right now, in comparison to the Spreadshirt stuff, this is so clear, so crisp, and looks phenomenal. The Spreadshirt stuff had some sort of issues, and it's laser printed just the same as this, but this feels a lot better quality than stuff that I got from there. And the shop is available worldwide. You will have a link in the description for you to check out and get yourself a shirt. I will start adding more things in there probably during this year quite a bit. We'll see how things can take off, but yeah. In other news, we wrapped up the 3-part series of taking the fretboard off the bass, putting in inlays, and then not showing you the middle finger while I'm counting down fingers, and the last video being fretwork. Now, those took a lot of time to A, do, and B, edit, and they turned out all right. They were okay. And there's a lot of things that I want to do differently now when it comes to making more quality videos, which is then the Celeste build series that I'm going to focus on right now and try and get that to really look the part. One of the major issues that I noticed was like, because I have a very bright monitor, I didn't realize how dark the videos were coming out, so I'm going to focus on color correction a little bit more with the Celeste stuff and with videos in general, with hopefully this one as well. Oh man, I realized I'm on the wrong setting on the camera. Oh well. What else has happened? Oh, well, I already spoke about Twitch, but that has basically taken off, and I have started the entire new schedule, which actually works out pretty well for me. So, filming a live stream every single Wednesday, and then on Tuesdays and Fridays, I have stream Q&A clips that I've taken from live streams when people have asked me interesting questions that I've answered to. So those are like small bite-sized videos for people to check out, and they've gotten a lot of good feedback, so I'm gonna keep on doing that. And then Sundays are gonna be the main quality edited videos that I'm already used to doing. I'm gonna see how things go, keep that sort of schedule going. It feels like a nice rhythm to keep things at. And yeah, now that the Celeste is done, I can relax a little bit and structure things a bit more and not have the stress about making a deadline. So things should be improving a hell of a lot now that I have more time to put effort into things and I'm not rushing around. Right now I'm rushing this video because today I still don't have time to do too much. It is Tuesday, this is coming out Wednesday, and yeah, I still have one maintenance for a bass coming up today, so wish me luck on that, and then I still need to edit this. I think that is a very good part or place for me to kind of end this and go. So I'll see you guys on Sunday with a new video. In the meantime, have a very, very good Easter, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Over and out. Bye.